Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can write a shipping policy for Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, this is how the dashboard look like. Here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers, content, analytics. Here you're going to find marketing and discounts. And then here you're going to find online store and also point of sale. Right here, you're going to find your applications. So right now, we're going to click on online store. Then here you're going to find themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Go ahead and click on pages. And then once you're here, so we're going to click on add a page. And then, for example, you can name this page shipping policy like this. And then here, as you can see, guys, you can add the content. So you can type your shipping policy right here. You can also use tools like AI to generate your policy. For example, I'm going to ask it to generate me a shipping policy like this. And then just click on generate. So just wait for it to finish generating. And then once it finishes generating, you can, if you like it, you can keep it or you can generate it again. So I'm going to click on keep like this. And then here you can preview how it would look like on search engine. And then here you're going to find the visibility settings and also the theme template. So once you finish adding your page, go ahead and click on save and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.